some Campbell buttons.
Wait to cross Visage or Visage Circle at Hazel Avenue. Wait to cross Visage or Visage Circle at Hazel Avenue.
More Campbell buttons.
Wait to cross Hazel Avenue at Curragh Drive. Wait to cross Hazel Avenue at Curragh Drive.
Along there, I don't think it's programmed correctly. Something's wrong with this button. I don't know what it is, but they need to fix it.
Wait to cross Curragh Drive at Hazel Avenue.
Okay, this one is programmed correctly. Now let's see this one.
Wait to cross Hazel Avenue at Curragh Drive.
This one's programmed correctly. Going off pretty soon. This one doesn't have an arrow on it. Alright, now back to the one on this side. It's Campbell again.
Wait to cross Hazel Avenue at Visage or Visage Circle. Wait to cross Hazel Avenue at Visage or Visage Circle.
Now let's go to this one. Another Campbell.
Wait to cross Visage or Visage Circle at Hazel.
Something's wrong with these buttons. They have this so blinking, but it doesn't show the right numbers. It's kind of a little odd.
Wait to cross Hazel Avenue at Visage or Visage Circle.
Alright, now I'm gonna wait for this Campbell button to go off. Something's wrong with this intersection. The county of Sacramento needs to come and fix on this intersection. It tends to have problems. They're going off pretty soon. Go to this Campbell button. So these Campbell buttons here, something's wrong with the sign, and this one right here, it's supposed to be crossing Hazel Avenue, but
Wait to cross Visage or Visage Circle at Hazel Avenue.
this is Visage Circle, and this is Hazel Avenue. I don't know why it's just programmed. I'm gonna hit a different intersection now.